Hey, we're live. I'm Andrew Barter from marketingsharks.com. This is called Phoenix 4 from James Fawcett. And there is a $2 discount exit pop. So you click the link in the video description. It'll take you to my site at marketingsharks.com. You click the product box after looking at all the upgrade offers and things that are available, and let the site load. Then run your cursor to the upper right-hand corner where the X is, and up will pop a $2 off discount coupon. Takes it from sorry, I've got that open in another window here. Let me just double check. $12.98 down to $10.98, but they'll try and get you for about $20 anyhow, because there's a $100,000 in 30 days hack and fast start guide showing you how they made $100,000 in 30 days. So if you want both of those, you're going to pull out a $20 bill, a little bit more, but just around that kind of thing. So it's called Phoenix, and it's basically James Fawcett has done a few different reincarnations I'll use, because Phoenix is the word, or ash rising from the ashes. And what it was is because he said, what would you do if you were flat broke and you had nothing and you had to start from scratch, just like everybody else starting out on the internet, and step-by-step process to start making good money. So they know everything you don't know. And what would they do to start right off? Well, it's a $1,000 a day system. Again, it's $10.98. $10.98 to buy it. The exact process he used to go from flat broke after losing everything to bringing in consistent, reliable income day after day. It's sustainable, scalable, easy to set up, yet powerful enough to provide a weekly income. So there's some upgrades there. I'll let you read through that. At the link will take you to my site with the blog post with the upgrade offers. And there you go. You click the link for the big looks like a cell phone with the Phoenix 4 in Roman numerals on it. And you can grab a copy of this. Like I say, get the discount coupon that pops up. So you're going to click the link that's going to take you to my site. Then you click the cell phones with the fire, and it'll take you to this page that we're at here. And you wait for it to load and run your cursor to the upper right-hand corner. Saves you $2. Great setup. And I would say get ready to spend $20, because make $100,000 in a month, you're going to, do you think that's worth $10? Yes. And these guys have a system. They have it all set up. So you will see exactly that it's not. I should go inside and give you a little bit of look in here. $1,000 daily, fastest results you've seen, brand new method, working flawlessly in 2023, set and forget. Making money, 30 minutes to get Phoenix 4 up and running, and away you go. So go check it out. The link's in the video description. It's called Phoenix 4. I'm Andrew Barter from marketingsharks.com.